Hey guys, so I'm at Riverside right now in Windsor, Ontario, and there's actually a film festival going on. You just drive in your car. Well, obviously it'll be tonight, and then you watch a movie. And then I actually came here for the sun. It's like 6 o'clock, and I love watching the sunset. That's what we do in our city here. And then there's boats here. You can bring your bike, your rollerblades, you can bring your scooter, which is really cool. They don't have scooter rentals here, but hopefully one day they do. But they do have kayak rentals and canoe rentals, but I did that the other day. I wouldn't do it today because the water is like really choppy and the current is strong. But having a boat like that person over there is really cool. And then yeah, it's really pretty. To walk the whole riverside here, it takes like, for there and back, it's like 80 minutes. So it's like a really good workout. I do that often, like in the evenings, probably like 3 times a week. And then they have little previews as to what's going on. And then over here, I'll show you what the drive-through will look like. So you park your cars here. You can buy tickets over there. They're just doing this for like the social distancing thing, I guess. But the cars have to be like, you know, spread apart. When you get out, you have to wear a mask. But yeah, it rained so much, like in the past couple of days. I thought it would, like, the water levels would be a lot higher, but thank God they're not. I mean, they are high compared to before. So I'll go over here and show you. But they're not. Like, I think at the other side we have a peace fountain. They're like really high, but yeah. See? But yeah, it rained a lot because we got like the tail end of like Hurricane Laura, I believe it was. And there's so many yellow jackets. They keep coming after me. I put all this perfume on today. Hot couture, my favorite. But yeah, it was, oh my gosh, they're these yellow jackets are chasing me and like running from them. So yeah, that's the sunset. Well, it's not a sunset, but it's about to set in like 3 hours. So it's, I don't want it to set, but yeah. So probably gonna go get gelato, and when we're there I will vlog some more. So for now I'm just gonna be walking here on this beautiful evening. It's so warm. Oh, I want to show you something before. They put this up last year. Oh my gosh, this yellow jacket just landed on my hand. Okay, so this is in memory of the firefighters that risked their life, and for firefighters who put their lives on the line for us. It looks so real and it's so beautiful, and this is the firefighter's prayer. I think this is really nice. They put so much effort in this, so I thought that was really nice. And then look how real this looks. And then they're rescuing a little girl. It's so nice. And it's called Firefighter Memorial, Never Be Forgotten, for all firefighters. I think it's so important. Like, they do so much for us. God bless them. I'm gonna go back a little bit more.
I read about it in Revelation, you read it too. I read about it in Revelation, you read it too. There's a way beyond the mirror. And I took Jesus as the Savior.
decided to go to Erie Street, Gennaro's, to get some gelato. It's amazing. It's homemade ice cream, and it's made out of like heavy cream and milk. Cream is actually like really good for you, so I would say it's like not completely bad. So I can't wait to have that, and they have so many like different flavors. And when we get there, I will start vlogging. It's actually like a little Italy down there, so they really know how to make their gelato. And if you guys have ever tried gelato or your favorite flavor, like you've had different flavors, let me know in the comments below. My favorite right now is the fig and ricotta. It tastes really good. So yeah, I'll see you when we get to Little Italy on Erie Street at Gennaro's to get gelato. Okay, so we made it to Erie Street and we're going to get gelato. And the sun has officially set. I like the street lights they have here. They're orange. I don't like the new ones. The white lights they have. And I find that the other ones are like stronger. These ones are more dim. Wow, it's so busy here.
Ma poi eravamo là, perché loro poi vanno Riccardo, ogni division poi no! Come Jesse se mi chiamavo la compagnia proprio. Ci ho messo un po' di queste cose lì, vabbè, abbiamo vinto tagliato.
Yeah, he lists the system. It's high quality of competition.
Hey. So many flavors.
Not pistachio? Yeah. Okay. Can I get the raspberry and the mango, please? Oh no, actually on a cup. Sorry? This one.
So I think I'm gonna
Actually, I'll get a pink grapefruit. A pink grapefruit. And was it this one?
yeah.
And I'll get the big one. The fish, the ricotta fish. Yeah. Which one do you want?
Okay, can I get the ricotta fig and then the vanilla bean? Oh, cup, the same size.
So this one's a pink grapefruit and a ricotta fig.
Looks so good. Nice. It melts fast. It's fresh.
What's his name? The other guy.
It like melts fast because it's fresh. And it's so good. Mm. I already have the other one. Oh my god.
Yeah, this one's sweet.
The grapefruit one's
This one's
so
sweet, and this one is
the grapefruit one's so refreshing, especially on a hot day.
oh yeah.
Hey guys, I just got back home and lit all the candles, and it's like super cozy. So it's been a long day, and I'll actually show you the atmosphere. So I just lit all the candles. I have one on the floor, and then I have my birthday card next to it. Then I have like my little horse there because one day I want to like get a horse. So I put that there so I can attract it. Because whatever you put in your house, like you attract to you. And then I have a candle up there. And then I have one on the kitchen table and then one beside me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Till I see you again. Bye for now.